This is the video for the trip game. Here in the blue note box it says minimize the time to go from city 1 left to city 2 right. Well, here on the map on the upper left is city 1, and down here in the lower right is city 2. The time to go from one city to another city is determined by the distance and speed limit color of the road. Well, here we see a road colored a purple color, and it says it's 75 miles per hour. Here's a blue one. It says it's 50 miles per hour, and the olive ones are 25 miles per hour. You can advance the test solution by clicking one of the blue cities. It can advance from city 1 and city 2. Well, I like this fast road, so I'm going to advance to this blue city. And then look, I think I'll go down here because then I can go to a fast line here, and a fast road down here, and a fast road over to here, and another fast road down to here. And I also, it says I could advance from city 2, so I'll go to this blue city for city 2, and then I'll complete the trip by clicking this blue city. There's a completed trip. Up here it says the time is 162, and here it shows all the cities we used. It says when the two partial solutions meet, the test solution is complete. Then you can click a red city to remove it. Well, I see a diagonal here. I'm going to remove this red city and replace it with this city. Oh, now I'm down to 139 in time. That's my new test solution. There are 100 games, 0 to 99. Here you can click on the 0 here, highlight it, and then change its number. Well, now I'm going to click next for more notes. Here in this note it says, when the test solution is not complete, the test time will be highlighted in red. Well, you can see if I remove this red city number 7, well, it highlights it in red because the trip isn't complete. I'll put city 7 back again. Now it's complete again. To get the dynamic program solution, click on the green box. Afterwards, re-click it for the test solution. Here's the green box. If I click it, it's going to do the dynamic programming solution. Here you see it advancing to each of the cities. It's advancing at a constant rate of time. Now you see it found a complete solution, and it listed it here at the top, and it says its time is 132. Well, that's a little less than our solution. Next note it says you will see the solution advance from city to city. We saw that. When done, the solution will be displayed at the top, and here it is. Well, now we say, well, why is that different than our solution? Oh, down here I believe it changes. It goes from 7 to 22. Well, let's go back to our test solution. Here is where it differed. It went to 22 here instead of 10. So if I click on the red 10, it allows me to click on this because it's a blue city. There, it completed. Now my test solution is the same as the dynamic programming solution. Alright. Now we're going to go to program in the red stripe. Here on the left is the main program. Here on the right it says there's this main program and there's 2 subprograms. Up at the top here we could execute the application again. That's go back to playing the game. Save the application, create a new application, create a new subprogram. That's what these are down here. And the various other ones here are for copying instructions from one app to another or within the same application. Down below here are brown boxes that have tools in them that help you do programming. Put comments in, list the values, and so forth. Even learn about ASCII and colors. Below that, there's a list of YouTube videos that will show you how to build an app. Create it, save it, all the way to making an HTML file of it. Below that, there's an app that will show you the use of the different actions in this P code. This first column here is titled Actions, and these are the actions of the P code. Alright, below that, there's a list of HTML5 P code YouTube videos about instructions and values and text and copying, all the things you need to know to make a P code app. Alright, I'm going to go back to the game by clicking the blue box that says execute the application. At the bottom of it, it says down here, start an app. If you created an app and saved it to one of these letters, which are just different files you could put it in, you could click here and it would start your version of the game. Below that, it has a list of HTML5 P code apps, such as the bakery, blackjack, box delivery, and so forth. Alright, this is the end of the video on the Trip game.